Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure the laptop is plugged in if battery is low, because power mode can limit brightness. Once done, open Settings, go to System then Display, or press Windows plus I and choose Display. You're checking for external monitors and disabling adaptive or third-party dimming apps first. This is the first actionable step. Identify whether Windows or a manufacturer utility controls brightness. Make sure display drivers aren't blocked by pending Windows updates before moving to driver fixes. Next, you update the display adapter. Open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click and select Update Driver, choose Search automatically. Once done, reboot to apply firmware or driver changes. Then disable adaptive brightness both in Power Options, change plan settings right arrow Advanced Power Settings, and in the Intel or AMD control panel if present, because multiple controls can fight each other. Also check Windows Update for optional driver packages. Apply them and restart so brightness controls reflect the new Finally, set brightness using the Action Center slider, the Settings Display slider, or your vendor's utility. Choose whichever responds reliably. If controls remain unresponsive, reinstall the display driver from the manufacturer site or roll back a recent driver update. This often fixes regressions. As a key troubleshooting tip, boot into safe mode or create a new local user. If brightness works there, the problem is a user profile or third-party app. If not, consider hardware issues or contact support for panel/inverter repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.